I have 6 of these 27-gallon tote outdoor worm bins. My other ones are back there. What I'm going to do is, they're all about half full, I'd say. I'm going to combine them. I'm going to mix them up in the pool, and I'm going to put in 5 gallons of biochar. And then I'm going to put all the material back into just one bin and let that rest for a while. And this is going to be a awesome inoculant for my next soil batch. All right, so both of these have been emptied out now in the mixing pool. I got 5 gallons of homemade backyard charcoal. All right, get that on there. And then we're gonna mix that up. You go to a store, what store are you gonna go to where you can get something like this? Right, where all of this is alive. Nearly 30 gallons of broken down by the worms, leaves, grass, sticks, native clay soil, charcoal made in a fire pit, right? The clay and the charcoal, and the way I make the charcoal with ash, there's going to be a lot of mineral content in there, right? You hear people buying rock dust to put in there, right? Because you need that mineral content to try to get it up to whatever 100% for soil should be. Well, this is some easy ways you can do it and get pretty close. And this is, you can do all this with just ingredients you have yourself. Because once it's stirred up, it's all fluffed up with air right now, and that'll start to collapse a little bit, but I'll keep that just where it is. This is what remains. So those 2 bins that were about half full mixed together, that's where I got the material for this. This is going to be now my starter mix for the next bin. Now it's in here, so not very much. What, maybe 5-8 gallons, something like that. I have my stackable worm bin over there, which I'm emptying out and putting into these. So a lot of food still in those, lots of worms. And then I'm going to coat that after I put those in here with 5 gallons of chopped up leaves that have been sitting out for a few weeks now out in the yard. All right, so the heavy food material with lots of baby worms is in there. I found an eggshell I didn't quite finish breaking up, so I handled that a little bit better. I'm gonna put in 5 gallons of shredded leaves. Smooth it out a little bit. Boom, outdoor worm bin's done.